Welcome back to our countdown to Splash. We are now only 5 weeks away being in DC with everybody. And I'm excited this week to have the privilege of bringing our performance management practice lead, Mr. Ricardo Musquiz, on. Ricardo, thanks for coming on. And why don't we start with having you introduce yourself?
Sure. Thank you, Mitchell. Just like everybody else in this space, that I started in corporate accounting, in the oil and gas industry here in Texas. I joined Hyperion in 1999, went through the Oracle acquisition, and after that I remained in the EPM, CPM space for 10 years, actually working with OneStream as well with hands-on keyboard. So I'm happy to be back at Archetype leading the OneStream practice and working with great people.
Yeah, and I know, so you initially joined Archetype after or came a part of Archetype during the acquisition of Top Down, and then left us for a time. And now you're back. So curious, what brings you back to Archetype?
Yeah, great question. So what brought me back really was the people. So in the OneStream world, people are very passionate about what they do. And here at Archetype, we do OneStream and we do it very well. Plus, I enjoy the partnership with OneStream because it's very collaborative. It's a great alliance to support innovation. We go to battle on the sales cycle together. It's just a great place to be. Also, I'm tired of telling a potential client or a CFO, maybe we can't do that particular solution because of limitations of the software, or even worse, that you may have to change a process that works in order to fit into a predefined solution. So with OneStream, we don't have that problem.
Love it. And I'm assuming, we've been asking everybody this, I'm assuming this relates. What's been your favorite part in general of working here at Archetype?
Right. So again, the people, as I mentioned before, but it's the culture, top to bottom. So we all support each other, new ideas, and most importantly, which is very important, leadership also supports the teams doing the work, which is a very difficult job at times, but we've always got the proper investment, support from our leadership, and that's really a key differentiator, and one of the main reasons why I came back to Archetype.
Yeah, and that's been kind of the ongoing trend. I feel like asking everybody that question, and I know overall, from a culture standpoint for a company, it can't be manufactured. Like, it has to be organic from the top down, and it's also, in general, my favorite part here with working with the team at Archetype. So,
exactly.
Back to the OneStream Splash Conference, 5 weeks out. Will this be technically your first Splash Conference, or how many have you been to before, or in general? And then what are you most excited about with it?
Right. So it will be my first official Splash Conference. Although a couple of months ago, I did attend the Wave Conference.
Oh, awesome.
So it was great. Just getting to see all the people that I knew from the past, people that I still have relationships with. So the Wave Conference was from a tech developer point of view. So I'm now excited to go to Splash, to talk to more clients, to talk to OneStream leadership, and not to mention reconnecting with a bunch of friends that I have in this space.
Yeah, awesome. And I know we also discussed this in our past discussion on Archetypical. Definitely, if you haven't listened to that or watched it, go check it out. I'll put the link in the description here. But looking ahead to the rest of 2023, being our practice lead here on the performance management team, what's next, and what are you most excited about for this partnership with Archetype and OneStream?
Right. So I'm very excited about growth and continued growth. So as you saw in the press release, we here at Archetype made some organizational changes to facilitate that growth alongside OneStream. So we're in lockstep with them, with their leadership. We are connected to the solutions that are coming up, and we're staffing accordingly. So I'm excited to have this team set for 2023, but also growing in the different functional areas and solutions OneStream is offering. So continue to grow and build a better team.
Perfect. Awesome. Well, I appreciate you coming on, and I know everybody at Archetype is extremely excited for your leadership in the performance management practice and being that catalyst kind of that growth and continued growth. But obviously, everyone, thanks for tuning in as well. And definitely, as a reminder, register for the Splash Conference, and we're excited to see everybody in person in DC here in 5 weeks. So thanks a lot.